Okay, that was my skin, oily, inflamed, constant breakouts, the painful kind. Tiny bumps everywhere, redness, cold pores, you name it, I have it. I was so embarrassed that I didn't even want to step outside without the layer of makeup. And the worst part, I keep trying products after products, hoping something would magically fix everything, but nothing worked. My skin's left out of control, and honestly, so did I. But now my skin has become one of the things that I actually proud of, not because it's perfect, but because I finally learned what my skin needs to heal, and it had nothing to do with expensive trends. It was all about simple habits, listening to my skin, and doing things that actual way. If you are new here, hi, I'm Fit Bear. I'm on a journey to build a healthier, happier life, and I share everything I learn: skincare, lifestyle, wellness, and all of it. So if that's your vibe, make sure to hit the subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. By the end of today's video, you will have a simple 5-step guide to getting the glorious healthiness skin you have ever had. Based on what actually cured my acne, those are my real habits, but I will include research-based references as support, strengthen my barrier, and finally give my confidence again. I used to think glowing skin come from buying the latest syrup or booking a fancy facials, but the truth is glowing skin starts from the inside. Your skin renews itself every 28 days in your 20s, which means what you put in your body affects your skin way more than what you put on your skin. So before I even found a routine that worked for me, I have to fix the most basic things first: hydrations. In a 30-day study, adding about 2 liters of water per day increased both surface and deeper skin hydration, especially in people who drink less water before. And no, I don't mean fancy drinks or expensive powders. I mean real natural hydrations. When I start drinking water properly, consistently, everything changed. My breakouts heal faster, my skin looked less dull, my texture smoothed out, my barrier felt stronger. In the morning, I always start my day with water, warm temperature water. Nothing complicated, and because plain water can get boring, I switch it up with natural booster like coconut water, lemon water, or fruit-infused water, even cucumber water. It keeps things refreshing and helps me drink more without thinking too much about it. Hydration also comes from food. This is something people forget. Watermelon, orange, grapes, cucumbers, lettuce, soup, they all hydrate you from the inside. And honestly, once I start eating more water-rich fruit, my skin start looking more alive, more plump, more fresh. Research-backed tips: a solid baseline is 2.7 liters per day for women and 3.7 liters per day for men from drinks and food that are just based on activities and heat. And the best part, it costs nothing. No fancy supplements, no trends, just real water and real food. Once I fixed my hydrations, the next things that make a huge difference was supporting my collagen the natural way. Now collagen sounds like a big scientific word, but really it's just what keeps your skin firm, bouncy, and youthful. And the cool thing is, your body already knows how to make it. You don't need powder or expensive supplements. You just need to feed your skin with real food. One of the biggest things that helped me was simply cooking more of my own meals. When you cook at home, you automatically eat cleaner without trying. You control how much oil you use, how much sugar goes in, how fresh the ingredients are. It's all adds up. My dinners are super simple: tofu or chicken with stir-fried veggies, a big veggie soup with eggs or beans, sometimes just a quick noodles bowl with extra veggies and protein thrown in. Nothing fancy, just real basic food that support your skin from the inside. And speaking of protein, this is a big one. Your skin cannot repair itself or build collagen without protein. When I finally start eating enough protein, my acne scar fades faster. My skin looked plumper and it heals so much quicker. Eggs, fish, tofu, yogurt, beans, they all make a difference. But protein alone isn't enough. Your body also needs vitamin C to turn that protein into collagens. So I make sure I have something like oranges, kiwi, strawberries, or bell peppers in my meal every day. It doesn't need to be perfect, just one simple vitamin C food a day helps. And then there are antioxidants. Those are like little bodyguards for your skin, protecting your collagen from damage. I love blueberries, green tea, Spanish, grapes. Just a handful here and there goes a long way. Healthy fats also support collagen and your skin barriers. Avocados, olive oil, salmon, walnut, chia seed. They make your skin look soft, smooth, and naturally radiant. And the best part, all of it comes from real food, no powder. Natural collagen support is simple. Eat balanced meals, don't skip protein, and add some vitamin C and include healthy fats. Your skin will glow from the inside out. The next things that completely changed my skin was understanding inflammation. If your skin gets puffy, red, irritated, or breakouts more, moments you stress, tired, or eating off balance, that inflammations. It can ruin your glow faster than anything. Some of the biggest triggers for inflammations are the things we all deal with every day: stress, lack of sleep, processed food, sugar spike, and dehydrations. It all adds up before you even notice it, so instead of buying more products, I start focusing on lowering inflammation. Actually, through my daily habits, the first thing I did was shift toward whole food, simple, fresh ingredients whenever I eat meals full of veggies, fruits, whole grains, protein, nuts, and seeds. My skin always looked calmer the next day. Always omega-3s were a huge help for me, but since I don't eat fish, I get mine from plant sources like walnut, chia seed, flaxseed, and hempseed. They are amazing for calming inflammations, supporting hormones, and helping your skin heal faster. Even adding a spoon of chia seed into breakfast make a difference. I also start adding gentle anti-inflammatory herbs to my cooking. Things like ginger, garlic, basil, and rosemary. They make your food taste incredible, and they naturally help keep your skin calm from the inside out. And one of my favorite things ever, mint tea, especially peppermint. It helps my hormones at least. It smooths my digestions. It lowers my stress, and because it's caffeine free, it's actually hydrated your skin instead of drying it out. I drink it almost every night. It's such a relaxing way to end the day, and honestly, my skin always looks calmer the next morning. I also start paying more attention to vitamins because your skin uses them to fight inflammations and repair damage. Vitamin A supports skin renew. Vitamin B helps with stress and energy. Vitamin C brighter firms and boosts collagen. Vitamin D supports immunity and skin healing. And on top of that, antioxidants like berries, green tea, circuit fruits, leafy greens, and even dark chocolate help protect your skin from environmental stress. And then there is sleep. Your skin heals the most when you are asleep. Even tiny habits like warm shower before bed, a 10 minutes walk after dinner, calming music, or swapping late night snack for mint tea helps my inflammations go away down. Lower inflammations equals calmer skin, fewer breakouts, and the kind of natural glow you don't get from products. People talk about retinol and syrups, but honestly, one of the biggest reasons my skin improved was simply movement. You don't need the gym, you don't need yogurt, you just need to move your body constantly. Whenever I exercise, even for 10 minutes, the blood flow increases, more oxygen reaches to my skin, my hormones balance out, my stress level drop, my sleep improve, my healing speeds up. And that goal everyone talks about is real. You can actually see it after a good workout. My favorite workouts are super simple. I do body weight exercise like squat, lunges, push-up, hands, gluten bridge, and mountain climbers. You don't need any equipment, just your body. I also love using dumbbells for rows, shoulders, presses, drag lift, curls, and golden squat. Even light weights tone your muscle and make your skin look firmer. And on the days when I don't have time, I still try to do something quick. Dance to a song, skip rope, do a 10 minutes routine from YouTube, or just go for a fast walk. It all counts and your skin feels it immediately. Movement is one of the most natural underrated glow booster ever. Exfoliations can completely transform your skin or destroy it. If you do it right, your texture becomes smoother, your pores look smaller, and your glows get brighter. If you overdo it, dryness, irritations, more oil, more breakouts. So I keep my exfoliation simple, gentle, and controlled. BHA, especially salicylic accents, is my absolute go-to for acne and constructions. It gets inside from your pore and dissolves with the oil from within. Whenever I feel bumps or my T-zone looks contrast, I use BHA 2 to 3 times a week, never daily. AHA, like glycolic and lactic essence, works more on the surface. It helps with dullness, texture, and all acne marks. I only use it when my skin looks tired or needs extra glow. And there is you are a really gentle exfoliant that hydrates at the same time. It is perfect for dry or flaky areas, and it never stains my skin. After any exfoliations, I always follow up with good moisturizer. Your barriers need protection after you use essence, and the golden rule is simple. Listen to your skin. If you see wetness, tiredness, or irritation, stop. Your skin doesn't need more aggressions, it needs consistency and of course sunscreen. Okay, confession time. I used to never wear sunscreen, like ever. I thought SPF was only for the beach or for people trying not to get darker. Then I heard a dermatologist say something that shocked me. Inflamed skin can't heal acne. Sunscreen reduces inflammation. That was my wake-up call. I add SPF into my routine, just lightweight, non-sticky ones, and within a week, my skin looked calmer, my breakouts heal faster, and I stopped getting new dark marks from old pimples. And honestly, I laugh because sunscreen held more than half of the products I was spending money on. Sometimes the simple steps is the missing pieces. Now SPF is the non-negotiable for me. Moisture is everything, not oily, not dry, just balanced. Hyaluronic only essence pulls water into the skin and keeps it plump. I always apply it on the damp skin because it works so much better that way. Beta-glucans has become one of my favorite hydrators. It's calming, deeper, hydrating, and amazing when your skin feels irritated. Ceramides helps repair and protect your skin barrier. When my skin was breaking out and the most, ceramides played a big role in strengthening and calming my skin. The ways you cleanse also matters. No harsh cleanser, no stripping your skin dry. If your skin is on the drier side, washing with just water in the morning and can honestly make a big difference. My routine is simple: gentle cleanse, hydrating syrup, ceramide, moisturize, sunscreen. Clean in the morning. No 10-step routine needed. Those habits seem small, but trust me, they change my skin more than a lot of products. I always wash my face with warm water now, never hot. Hot water used to irritate and dry out my skin without me even realizing it. I also use a clean small towel just for my face every single time, morning and night, and I wash my pillowcase every week. Bacteria loves them fabrics and your skin does not. And finally, I try not to touch my face throughout the day. Our hands carry sweat, bacteria, dust, dirt, everything, and it's all transformed transfer onto the face. Once I stop touching my face so much, my breakouts reduce so fast. I don't do a lot of professional skin treatments, but if you ever want a little extra help, things like basic hydration, facial, gentle chemical peels, or LED wet night therapy can be nice as long as they are done by professionals. But honestly, you don't need treatment to go. My skin changed because of hydration, movement, sleep, real food, sunscreen, and gentle exfoliations, not because of expensive procedures. And I avoid things like DIY micro needling, overpriced creams, or unqualified practitioners. Your skin deserves safety, not shortcuts. To naturally growing healthy skin styles, habits are simple, but they are truly transform my skin from inflamed and exhausted to calm, clear, and confident. You don't need 20 products. You just need consistent, good habits, and a little self-love. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps me. It's really helped my channel and means so much to me. Tell me your favorite glow up habits in comments. I love to hear. Thank you so much for watching. Have a beautiful, beautiful week, and I will see you in the next video.